Hey there, I'm Apple Crider with Investing Simple. In today's video, we're taking a look at the question of, are Robinhood, Webull, or M1 Finance available in Canada, the UK, Europe, or where are they available outside of the United States? And if you're outside the United States, which of these is going to be your best choice? Now, there's a lot of international investors seeing a lot of content, ads about these particular apps. So in this video, I'm going to break down exactly where these three apps are available for you in a very simple and easy to understand manner. And if none of them happen to be available in your particular area, we do have a video detailing the best online brokerages for international investors. So if you are outside of the US, you're very likely to find at least one option in this video up here that we have on the best international broker. So feel free to check that out if Webull, M1 Finance, or Robinhood are not actually available in your country. So without further ado, let's dive right on into it. And now, before we do dive in, I want to answer one quick question that a lot of international investors have, and that is, why are these apps, many of these apps, only available in the US or the US and only a couple other countries? And the reason for that, there's two main reasons. Well, the first of which is because a lot of them require you to have a social security number, which of course you have to be a US citizen in order to have. But the main reason behind that is that there are different regulations on investment companies in different areas of the world. So United States has their own set of regulations, their own set of regulators that are kind of breathing down the necks of these particular companies, because as a financial company, there are a lot of regulations that you have to go through and a lot of things that you have to keep up with in order to maintain a good standing with the country that you're operating in. So at this point in time, being that these are startups, that they are in very fast growth mode, they are more focused on growing and really dominating this one market, as opposed to figuring out all the different regulations that exist in all of these different markets, because doing that is really going to slow down their growth, because they're going to have to be focusing on all this additional compliance work that they don't have to focus on at the moment. They've got all their US stuff figured out. Well, some of them do, but they've got most of their US stuff figured out, so they would rather just go all in on the US market rather than trying to learn other compliance systems and hire a whole bunch of other compliance people just to deal with those markets for now. But as you'll see, some of them are actually available in other countries as well already. So diving in here, let's start off with M1 Finance and see where M1 Finance is actually available. So if we go down the list here, are they available in the UK? Answer is no. What about anywhere in Europe? Answer is also no. What about Canada? Still no. And Asia? Unfortunately, no. So M1 Finance is only going to be available in the United States. If you're not in the US, you cannot use the M1 Finance platform as of now. And we haven't really heard much from M1 Finance in terms of plans to expand internationally. So you'll have to kind of stay tuned for that. But if M1 Finance ever does open up in other countries, we will be very soon to release both videos and articles for this on our website, investingsimple.com. So you can stay tuned there for the latest updates. Moving right along here to Robinhood. So in terms of Robinhood, we heard in 2020 that they had plans to expand into the UK, and those were kind of halted with the whole situation that happened in the world with that whole pandemic thing that's going on. So they halted those plans, and they really just had to rein things in, focus on the US. And so there is no Robinhood in the UK yet, but they have said that they're still planning on rolling that out eventually. It's just going to be a matter of when. Hopefully that comes in 2021, but we'll just have to wait and see on that. Again, we'll keep you guys updated as far as that goes. But anywhere else in Europe for Robinhood, answer is no. What about Canada? Absolutely not. What about Asia? No as well. So Robinhood, M1 Finance, so far we're swinging 0 for 0, but fortunately Webull is available in some countries other than just the United States. So we've got that to look forward to. So in terms of Webull here, still nothing in the UK. So if you're in the UK, I'm sorry, none of these options are going to work for you. But like I said before, that video that we made on the best international brokerages, if you're outside of the US, that video is going to give you a couple options if you're in the UK. So make sure to check that out. Europe, still nothing in Europe for Webull. What about Canada? No, but fortunately, if you are located in Asia, specifically China or India, you likely have access to the Webull trading platform. So of all of these three apps, the only one that is available anywhere outside of the United States at this moment is going to be Webull, and they're only available in China or India. So overall, the answer to the question of, is M1 Finance, Robinhood, or Webull available in Canada, the UK, Europe, or anywhere outside of the US is pretty much a no across the board, except for Webull being offered in parts of Asia. However, like I said, there are still tons of options for international investors, and we outlined the best of which in that video that I mentioned that you can go check out on our website on how international investors can invest in the United States stock market. Now, if you want to learn more about how to invest internationally, we have a full comprehensive guide over on our website, investingsimple.com, detailing how foreigners can invest in the US stock market. The best way to find that is to head on over to Google, type in "Can foreigners invest in the US?" and click on the link for investingsimple.com. We'll see you over there.